Now I'm going to discuss warranty adjustment. Normally, all the business organization nowadays provided warranty facilities, 1 year warranty, 6 month warranty, 2 years warranty, like that. That is a marketing. For increased sales, they provided warranty. ඒ කියන්නේ අනාගතේ කැඩුනොත් හදලා දෙනවා කියලා ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා. In the business point of view, there is a uncertainty. ඒ කියන්නේ කැඩිලා ගෙනාවොත් අනාගතේ අපිට හදලා දෙනවා. 1 year නම් within 1 year. 6 month නම් 6 month වලින් කැඩිලා ගෙනාවොත් 6 month ඇතුළත business එකට හදලා දෙන්න වෙනවා. There is a uncertainty. Therefore, we have to get ready for that based on prudency concepts. Therefore, you have to know how to adjust on the financial statement. Normally, all the business organizations nowadays provided warranty. That is a marketing for increased sales. But you have to know how to provide information about on the financial statement. Whether it's proprietorship, partnership, company, any organization, we can see warranty. Therefore, based on prudency concepts, as well as based on LKS 37, we have to apply LKS 37 also. Provision, contingent liability, and contingent assets. Contingent liability and contingent asset I will discuss later. Now I'm going to discuss only provision part. Provision is a liability, uncertain time and value amount. Example, provision for warranty, provision for compensation, provision for gratuity. Therefore, you have to know if it is given on the financial statement. Provision. We have to get ready for that. ඒ කියන්නේ කැඩිලා ගේනකම් අපි ඉන්නේ නැහැ. අනාගතේ කැඩිලා ගෙනාවොත් අපිට හදලා දෙන්න වෙනවා. අන්න මේ කැඩිලා ගේනකම් ඉන්නේ නැතුව අපි දැම්මින්ම මේකට ලෑස්ති වෙන්න ඕන. We have to get ready for that. Therefore, we have to provide for that. Therefore, provision is a liability, uncertain time and value. This one very important. Uncertain time and value. ඒ කියන්නේ කවද්ද ගෙවන්න වෙන්නේ කියලා අපි දන්නේ නැහැ හරියටම. කීයක් ගෙවන්න වෙනවද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි ගෙවන්න වෙනවා කියලා දන්නවා. Now think about this example. This one important. Provide for warranty first time. ඒ කියන්නේ මුලින්ම warranty දීලා තියෙන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්ද කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. මීට කලින් warranty දීලා නැහැ. Right. It has given sales in the trial balance and sales return available. It has given company sales good with 1 year warranty periods. It has been reliably estimated that the company has to make provision of 1% of sales value as a warranty. First one thing, how to calculate warranty. It has given sales and sales return. If it has given sales return, that value should be deduct from sales. You have to consider net sales, correct sales, after deducting sales return from sales. Therefore, correct sales value, net sales will be equal sales minus sales return. Therefore, in this example, this is the correct sales value. Based on that value, 1%. ඒ කියන්නේ මේකෙන් අපිට හිතෙනවා අනාගතේ 1% විතර කැඩිලා ගෙනල්ලා හදලා දෙන්න වෙයි අපිට. තාම අපි දන්නේ හරියටම. That is estimate. අපිට හිතෙනවා මේ යන විදිහට මෙහෙම වෙයි කියලා. අන්න ඒකට අපි දැම්මම ලෑස්ති වෙන්න ඕන. We have to get ready for that. We have to provide for that. Therefore, value should be calculated based on correct sales value. Correct sales value mean after deducting sales return. Then it has given percentage. Sometimes it has gone 2%, 5%. That is estimate based on past experience. අපිට හිතනවා මේ යන විදිහට මේ මෙහෙම විකුණපුවාම ඒකෙන් ආපහු කැඩිලා ගෙනල්ලා හදලා දෙන්න වෙයි අපිට 1% විතර. That is not actual value, estimate. Therefore, value should be calculated based on correct sales value. Think about after deducting sales return. Then this is a warranty. Now think how it records. Warranty expense account debit. Provision for warranty account credit. තාම කැඩිලා ගෙනාවේ නැහැ අපිට. අපි දන්නේ නැහැ කවද්ද ගේන්නේ කියලා. හැබැයි අපි එහෙම වෙනකන් ඉන්නේ නැහැ. දැම්මම ලෑස්ති වෙලා ඉන්නවා ඒවට. දැම්මම එක්ස්පෙන්ස් එකක් විතර හඳුන ගන්නවා අනාගතේ කැඩිලා ගෙනල්ලා හදලා දෙන්න වෙන එකට. That is not correct value, estimate. Therefore, warranty expense account debit, provision for warranty account credit. Provision for warranty is a liability. Therefore, provision for warranty, this value should be included under current liability. If it has given company sum under note number 9 normally, accrual expense and other current liability. And warranty expense, this value should be included under distribution expense. Therefore warranty expense account debit 69,000 and provision for warranty account credit 69,000. There is no balance, first time provide for that. Therefore warranty expense account debit as a provision for warranty, name of other ledger accounts, and provision for warranty account credit as a warranty expense. Think about double entry. Therefore warranty expense, all the expense accounts should be closed. All the expense accounts should be closed. Therefore differential will not carry down. Debit side increase 69,000. Take that value other side. Then difference value here as a profit and loss. Not balance carry down. Raise an expense as a profit and loss. Then provision for warranty is liability. Therefore it should be balance carry down. That is a liability. Credit side increase 69,000 and take that value debit side. Therefore difference value here balance carry down and this side balance brought forward. Provision for warranty is a liability. That value should be included under current liability. Therefore here as a balance carry down and this side as a balance brought forward. This is a way you have to adjust if it has not given opening balance. Here not given opening balance, first time provide for warranty. I will discuss next video if it has given opening balance how to adjust.